Hi, I'm Emily. I'm one of the directors here at Bluestone Brewing Company. We were established in 2013 and we're based on the Working Family Farm in North Pembrokeshire. We brew a wide range of beers and we also have an events venue and tap room on site.
Ni'n bragu pob math o cwrw a danfon o amgylch Cymru, Deyrnas Unedig ac Ewrop. Ni'n di ennill sawl gwobr am fod yn fusnes gynaladwy. Ni o fewn y Parc Cenedlaethol, ni'n edrych ar ôl yr amgylchedd, y cymuned a i dangos i busnes eraill bod e'n bosib i fod yn fusnes cynaladwy.
We've accessed a lot of training through Lantra. It's all things that help to build the business, and especially when we're a young team, it's things that are going to carry through, right through the business and help us in the future as well. It's great to be nominated for the Lantra Cymru Award, and it's nice because it means that we're being recognised as an employer for putting time and effort into our employees, and it shows that as a business we're sort of growing and going in the right direction.